Tonight on Reporting Scotland, face masks are still expected on trains since most restrictions were lifted, but can it really be enforced? There's now no need for social distancing on public transport, but ScotRail still wants you to wear a face covering. Indeed, it remains the law here on trains and buses. But the operator says it's not the job of its staff to enforce the rules. Well, let's speak now to our political correspondent, Andrew Kerr, who's outside Milngavie railway station in East Dunbartonshire. Andrew, what is ScotRail saying then?
Yes, well, Laura, ScotRail are welcoming the ending of physical distancing. They're saying this is good news, a big step towards recovery, but face coverings are still required, and that is not the case down south. Now, many are wearing them on services here, but many are not, and that's creating a bit of anger and resentment. So ScotRail are at pains to point out that it's not up for their staff to enforce these rules and regulations set out by the government, but this is a matter for the police. And of course, they're stressing that there's a bit of personal responsibility around this as well. And there's certainly a lively debate on this issue here at Milngavie railway station amongst passengers.
I think that the staff on the trains are doing as much as they can. I see now they've got the devices where they can record, so I'm not sure if that makes them feel more confident, because it must be quite intimidating if there's groups of especially young people without masks on.
Personally, I don't wear a mask. If someone asks me to wear a mask, I'll wear it, but I don't wear a mask unless I'm told to.
And Andrew, you've heard from the British Transport Police tonight.
Yes, now ScotRail mentioned this was a matter for the police, the British Transport Police. They have authority on the railways, and tonight they were saying that they will continue with their 4E's approach of engaging, explaining, encouraging, and as a last resort of enforcing. Now, many passengers I've spoken to here and elsewhere are wanting to see more of that enforcement on the railways, but this is a lively debate. There's still a lot of disagreement on the issue about wearing face coverings on public transport. This debate, Laura, will continue.
Yeah, I'm sure it will. OK, Andrew, thank you.